it's looking at you. Now wherever you go, it's going to follow you. So take off.
Turn around and run.
You don't have to run. You can just walk. Try to go around the tree, see if it bumps into the tree.
Has it got a sensor on it?
Yeah. You want to land it now? Hold your hand out. Land it. Make sure the camera's pointing at your face. Just the drone is under $300. So just the drone that you can have follow, but then you add money when you have the little module. And with the little module, I can use a controller, and I can use the goggles, and I can use the motion controller. Good dog. This is dog. Yeah. Yeah. You see in your hand? Try going down. Now go up. Now it will work. Huh? So you can get a pretty good setup with 3 batteries for just under $500. But this is the smartest drone. It'll do everything. This is the complete package at a beginner's cost. The one I just bought was $1,000. The most expensive one I bought was $2,000. So, and I have 9 drones now, but this is one thing you get gear accusation, or no, acclamation. What do you, when you're going to get it, when you're going to keep buying gear? That's a syndrome you can have. Hold your hand out. Yeah. You want to try to fly that drone you got right there?
Sure. I'll try it.
Let's put this battery in.
That battery in it?
Yeah, it's been charging the CD.
Okay.
No, you have to watch this one, right?
Oh, do you have AAA batteries in there?
Okay.
No, you don't have batteries. That's cool.
Do you have the AAA?
I do have them. Okay, follow me.
What?
Follow me.
Okay. I'll be ready for it to go.
I'll make a video of you. So doing the circle first. That's the first one. Now it's doing a send and level shot. That's the second one. It's right above your head. Now camera down circle. So it's spinning as it comes down. Now it's going to move. It's adjusting position. It's doing a droney. That's the fourth one, then it'll do one more.
Coming back to land?
Yeah, hold your hand out. Now come over by me and Doug.
Yes.
Yeah. We'll do some selfies. So come and stand in front of us and turn around so the camera's looking at us. Selfie shot. Let's go take 3 pictures. Smile. I'll do another one. It's going to move. Smile. Okay, one more.
Now I want one of these. Now I want one of these.